friends, welcome to Bhavya's Learning Planet. What is today's topic? Did you know? Today's topic is very valuable and interesting too. What would be the topic? Today's topic is International Day of Older Persons. Now in your mind you would be thinking, when it is celebrated, why it is celebrated, ways to celebrate it. In this video, your all questions would be cleared. First of all, let's see when it is celebrated. It is celebrated on 1st October. Few questions are pending. We will solve them one by one. So let's begin. What would be the basic question? The first question, what would be? Why do we celebrate International Day of Older Persons? The International Day of Older Persons is observed on October 1 each year. On December 14, 1990, the United Nations General Assembly voted to establish October 1 as the International Day of Older Persons. The holiday was observed for the first time on October 1, 1991. It is the 30th anniversary of the International Day of Older Persons. Now, what would be the objective of this day? Or what would be the next question? Objective. So, what would be the objective of this day? To create awareness and empathy regarding the well-being of the elderly people. Raising awareness and issues affecting the elderly such as senescence and elder abuse. It is also a day to appreciate the contributions that older people make to society. So, what would be the next topic? The subtopic. It has theme every year. 1998 and 2000. Towards a society for all ages. For older persons in an intergenerational society, 2005, aging in the new millennium, 2006, improving the quality of life for older persons, advancing on global strategies, 2007, addressing the challenges and opportunities of aging. Rights of Older Persons, 2009, celebrating the 10th anniversary of the International Year of Old Persons towards a society for all ages, 2010, Older Persons and the achievement of the MDGs, 2011, the growing opportunities and challenges of global aging. Longevity, Shaping the Future, 2013, The Future We Want, What Older Persons Are Seeing, 2014, Leaving No One Behind, Promoting a Society for All, 2015, Sustainability and Age Inclusiveness in the Urban Environment, 16, Take a Stand Against Ageism. 17. Stepping into the future, tapping the talents, contribution and participation of older persons in society. 2018. Celebrating older human rights champions. 2019. The journey to age equality. This year theme is 2020. Pandemics, do they change how we address age and aging? Idea to celebrate it is always listen and help your elders. This will make them happy and a remarkable day for them. Spend time with them and listen intently. Be polite. Ask for advice. Eat together. Discuss family heritage, history and traditions. Tell them how much you appreciate and respect them. Visit senior living communities. Volunteer at a senior center. Visiting old age homes and NGOs. Cooking or baking for them. Give greeting cards to elders on this day. Happy Elders Day! Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.